What if being a teenager is your biggest advantage for making money? I'm Moses, and I've helped thousands do it. I've found 3 proven methods for teens to build real income right now. The third method could make you more than a part-time job without leaving your house. Ready to stop waiting? Hit subscribe. Let's dive into method 1. This is about identifying skills you already have that people will pay for. Method 1. The skill for hire strategy. Can you teach video games, help seniors with tech, or tutor? Post on Nextdoor or local Facebook groups charging $15-20 an hour. A 16-year-old student made $200 her first weekend just giving iPhone lessons to seniors. But trading time for money has a limit. Method 2 is how you make money while you sleep. Digital content creation. Use your native digital skills on YouTube or Instagram to build an audience around your authentic interests, gaming, fashion, or study tips. It's not about going viral, it's about consistency. A student I coached made $500 a month from her small YouTube channel on college apps through affiliate links and sponsorships. Now the next method is what separates temporary cash from building real wealth. Method number 3 is the most overlooked, the mini business model. This is about creating something once and selling it multiple times, or even starting a small dropshipping store. Think designing digital planners, creating study guides, making custom gaming accessories. The hidden secret? As a teenager, you have low expenses and can afford to experiment with business ideas that adults might consider too small. But these small ideas often grow into significant income streams. The key is to start with minimal investment and test quickly. Why it's overlooked? Most teens think they need money to start a business, and sold through platforms like Etsy or Gumroad that handle payments for you. But digital products can be created with free tools. I helped a 15-year-old create anatomy study guides for nursing students. She made her first sale within 48 hours and was making $800 monthly by the end of the semester. Pause this video right now and think, what's one problem you could solve for other teens? I'll wait. That's your potential business idea right there. Here's your bonus method and the critical mistake. Don't underprice yourself. The biggest error teens make is charging too little because they're just a teenager. Your time and skills have value. Research what adults charge for similar services and price accordingly. Remember, it's easier to lower prices than to raise them. What do you think? Have you been charging less than you're worth because of your age? You have consistent money coming in from your skills and services. You're building an online presence that could turn into a real business. I want you to imagine this. It's 6 months from now. You've implemented these teen income strategies. You're building an online presence that could turn into a real business. You have consistent money coming in from your skills and services. You have money for things you want without constantly asking your parents. You're learning about marketing, sales, customer service, and money management, things most people don't learn until their 20s or 30s. But more importantly, you're building real-world skills that will make you stand out in college applications and job interviews. You're learning about marketing, sales, customer service, and money management, things most people don't learn until their 20s or 30s. You're not just making money, you're building your future resume and life skills. If you're ready to start building income and skills that will serve you for life, you need to subscribe right now. Next week, I'm sharing exactly how to balance school and money making, the time management strategies that helped me graduate with honors while running a business. And in that video, I'll reveal the study money balance formula that helped one student make $10,000 during her junior year while maintaining a 4.0 GPA. That video is live right now. I've put it right here on screen and linked it in the description. Go watch it next. Skill for hire. Get paid for skills you already have. Digital content. Build an audience around your interests. Mini business. Create products you can sell repeatedly. Let's do a rapid recap of the 3 ways to make money as a teenager. Skill for hire. Get paid for skills you already have. Digital content. Build an audience around your interests. Mini business. Create products you can sell repeatedly. Your assignment today isn't to do everything. It's to start. List your marketable skills. Brainstorm one content idea. Identify one problem you could solve for others. Remember, your teenage years are the perfect time to experiment, learn, and build. Now go click that next video. I'll see you over there. Counting cash earnings handling. First half. Person is looking at a computer screen with a dark background and white text. First half. Counting cash earnings handling. First half. Red background with dollar signs. First half. Close-up of a laptop with a green screen. First half. Time is money. A short informative caption to be shown below the media. First half. Time to monetize clock. First half. Red background with dollar signs. First half.